The royal family is falling apart this Christmas, and Meghan Markle is at the center of it. Harry desperately wants back in, but Meghan refuses reconciliation unless she gets her way. King Charles is heartbroken. These could be his last years, and every bridge he builds gets destroyed. Harry has made it clear he wants to return to the royal fold. But Meghan, she's not interested unless she keeps her titles and her kids' titles. Insiders say she sees no value in the family except for what it can give her. Whenever Charles tries to mend the relationship, Harry and Meghan exploit it for PR, turning private moments into headlines. It's heartbreaking for Charles, who just wants his son back. Meanwhile, Prince William is building his own court. He skipped Sandringham lunch after church this year, preferring the Middleton family vibe. He's already planning a modern monarchy. No head of the church, no commonwealth. Traditions that Queen Elizabeth and Charles cherished. William sees them as relics. The future king is overcorrecting, and it's causing tension with Charles. Then there's Prince Andrew, excluded completely from Sandringham. He and Sarah Ferguson will spend their last Christmas at Royal Lodge before losing it. Beatrice and Eugenie face a tough choice: stay with parents or join the royals. This is the fallout from years of mishandling, a problem that could have been fixed earlier. 2 years after Queen Elizabeth's death, the unity she held together is gone. The family came together for her funeral and Charles' coronation, but since then, it's fractured. William operates independently. Harry and Meghan exploit every chance. Andrew is sidelined. Charles is caught in the middle, trying to save his son and the institution. But Harry's motives? Many say they're more about titles and money than family. This Christmas at Sandringham is quiet, divided, and sad. Will Charles ever get his son back? Or is this the end of royal unity? Drop a if you feel for Charles, and like and sub for more royal truths. Next, William's radical monarchy plans. Merry Christmas from a fractured palace.